Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a haul of a bunch of things that I've bought pretty much since March, since the beginning of our lockdown, quarantine, etc. So it is hard when you're sitting at home, you're like, oh, nothing's exciting, let me go shopping. So I did a lot of shopping. I'm definitely buying things that are my style, and these all have a very similar look to them, and I love it. So let's start off with what I'm wearing today. This is all H&M. I have this great beige lace shirt. It is so much fun. I actually also bought it in the black version, and this shirt is really heavy duty. So the regular price was about $50, I believe, and I had a coupon that got me, I think, about 20% off, which was fantastic. So here's the black. This would look so great with just a plain skirt or even some pants for like a winter formal type thing. But since this is very breezy, it is still good for summer. I paired that black one with this little stripy skirt from Uniqlo, which I love and I wear all the time. So you could definitely dress them up or down, but obviously this is just a steals the show kind of piece because it is so bold without being too flashy or tacky. I am wearing these great orangey, burnt orange pants, which are also H&M. And this outfit is great because the top is a little itchy and the pants are so flowy and comfy. And the back of this shirt is amazing. It has this great open hole at the back, and then it just has this beautiful kind of opening at the bottom. It is so chic, and I love that it is completely covered up top, and then there's just some drama in the back. So if you can't tell, I have my birthday balloons because it was my birthday over the weekend, and this is kind of my like birthday get up. So I wore these fabulous shoes with the outfit, and these are H&M. I saw them and I had to get them, so I ended up actually getting a 37, which is slightly smaller than my typical shoe size, and they fit like a dream. I like them so much. I got them in two other colors. So we have the black and the hot pink. These were a great deal. They were just about $35, and then they actually went on sale a bit further, and they came in a nude shade as well. I did not end up getting that nude shade. I tried them on and they just looked a little bit too gray on my skin. So these are definitely the perfect summer shoe. I can't wait to bring them on literally every vacation I go on. And they're comfy. Believe it or not, they're comfy. This nice strap fits like a dream. On the topic of shoes, I have two more pairs, and here's where things start to look a little bit alike. So these are the dream. I've always loved the Chanel shoes that look like this, the little sling back, cap toe, beige and black shoes. So I found these at Brown's. I actually got them in store, and they fit great. I think they came out to about $85 on sale. They are full leather and the construction's gorgeous. I like the kind of squared off heel, and they fit great. I do also like this slightly squared toe because these ones here are from Zara, and they're really cute. They were about $20, and they have a pointed toe. The pointed toe kind of gets a little bit lumpy looking after a while because it does start to bend, but overall these are very cute. They are synthetic and they do have a breathable mesh material. I got crazy blisters though the first time I wore them, so keep that in mind, but these are very cute, and Zara shoes usually treat me pretty well, and for the price you can't be beat. I got this shirt from that Zara haul as well. It's such a fun shape. It has that kind of moto tee style look at the top, and it fits great. I like how the neckline seam is not too big and bulky. The material's great. The like armhole is very comfortable. Sometimes it can get you know, too high or low cut, and this one fit great. So believe it or not, I did a little DIY. I actually put little shoulder pads, and these are not for shoulders. These are from a bikini, and they are just like not good bikini cups, but they worked great as shoulder pads. So you can do little DIYs like that, and it adds a little bit of structure but not too much bulk. I did get an amazing muscle tee from The Gap. It's currently in the wash, but check them out. I got the petite size because it ended up fitting a little bit more snug. I'll insert a photo here. It just really completes my everyday wardrobe. I love this style and the shape of it. I ended up buying one from Mango as well. But the Mango one, the shoulder pads just felt like packing peanuts. Like they were just too big, too bulky, and the whole thing just made me feel frumpy. So I love the one from the Gap, and the fact that it comes in petite sizes is awesome. So on a slightly different note, I have some workout shorts. I made a Nike order and I had to get to a certain amount for shipping, so I ended up getting these running shorts, and they fit really good. They look quite snug here, and believe me they are, but I got them because they have a pocket in the side. I don't do much running, but I do like the fact that I now have a pair of shorts that are good for summer, that have great pockets and fit me well. So it is pretty good to invest in high quality workout wear. I really haven't bought too much recently because I usually get leggings and shirts and stuff from Aerie. I love the Aerie kind of workout collection, but those shorts are something special, and I think they'll last me a really long time. I made my first Nordstrom Canada order and it went very well, so I got these great pants from Halogen, and these are in size 2. They're really comfortable. They have like a slightly stretchy material, just barely stretchy, and they're just so chic. I really like the fit. I just haven't really been loving my black dress pants lately, and these are perfect. They're the perfect length, and they have pockets in the back and the front. They fit really nice, and I think the price was pretty good. It says $79 here. I think I had a bit of a discount, but those were awesome. And then check these out. These are the Halogen by Atlantic Pacific collection, and I love following her Instagram. Oh, they're so fun. They're pink. I think there might have been a blazer that goes along with these, but oh my god, they fit great. High waist pink pants. My first pair of pink pants no longer fit, and they were low rise anyways. They serve their purpose, but I really, really like this high waist style. Of course, I haven't worn them to work much lately because I have not been going to work, working from home life, but I am going back into work, and I think these will be great even just for like Sunday brunch or some kind of like wedding showers or something. So they're really fun pants, and they're just so girly and cute. It helps that these are also kind of stretchy, so sitting is no problem. Let's move into some more H&M stuff. These lemon shorts are no stranger to my Instagram account. I share my like daily outfits, by the way, on there in little weekly roundups. So these shorts have been a summer staple. They're comfortable, they're high waist. The waist is kind of tight. I find H&M, they just don't have their proportions right on most of their bottoms, but these ones are pretty good. I sized up to a size 2. And I mean, 2 is actually pretty standard for them, but 4 is actually usually a good size for me in H&M, and these are really sweet. So they have this pattern in a bunch of different styles of clothing, so I love, love, love a big bold print for summertime. Now, I think these are my most successful purchase of the entire year. These are my H&M cutoff shorts in size 4. They fit like a dream. I wear them all the time. They're so comfy and cute, and they look really good. The only downside is that this particular pocket is the perfect size to allow my phone to fall out, so luckily I caught it the first time that I just slotted it in here. And to solve my problem, I stitched this pocket up so I don't make that mistake anymore. But H&M, don't do this. Anyways, and in the front too, I think there is, yeah, a lovely hole. So keep that in mind. But anyways, these shorts are perfection, and I've always loved my denim from H&M, believe it or not. They make really good like mom jeans. I did a bit of damage on the HBC app. They have a phone app that you can shop on, and it is way too easy. So I found this great top from Free People. I don't even know how I found this. It was on sale for about $80, I believe, and it sounds expensive sometimes, but you could buy 2 shirts from Forever 21 that are like $38 each, or you could get, you know, this amazing quality shirt from Free People with a gorgeous detailing, and it just looks a little bit fancier. So this shirt has great details front and back. I love that they maintain the style throughout. It fits great, so comfortable. Would be good for like fall time as well, since it has that higher neck, and it's so pretty. You can tuck it in, it looks great with these denim shorts. I did a little outfit wearing that, so I'll put a photo in here. But Free People is one of my favorite brands, so I love that the bag carries it. I also got this great little clip. I'm a huge clip person, very good for bangs or doing a little half up style, and this is actually from Guess. It is so pretty though, and this will be great for fancier events once those things start up again. I thought this was just too cute to pass up on, and it was on sale as well. I think it came out to $12 or so. I did a quick Gap haul where I got that muscle tee, and I ended up getting something from Old Navy. So I first purchased kind of this smock neck shirt from the Gap probably in the fall, and I'm obsessed. It fits really, really well, and the shoulders are just so cute. Again, kind of that frill shoulder, and just so fun and effortless. So this is great. It has a nice kind of eyelet detail here. So I found a similar shirt from Old Navy, and this one's different though because it is a little bit more lightweight, has the straight print, those frill sleeves, smock neck, but it has hook and eyes. So you can keep it done up, and it gives you a bit more of a conservative look with the little keyhole here, but I've even been liking it with this undone, and it has a really nice, almost popped collar look with a little V. It's a great way to show off your necklaces, so this is really, really nice. The color is perfect. It would actually look really good with these burnt orange pants I'm wearing today, so this is perfect. Any light blue stripe is totally up my alley, just so easy to pair with a variety of colors and basics. So I'm very happy about this. I need more lightweight cottony shirts to wear every day in the summer, so I don't really love wearing t-shirts all the time, so stuff like that is perfect. I really, really wanted a bag strap, so I ended up getting this Fendi inspired strap on AliExpress. It is so pretty. It was about $20. The color, the quality, everything about it is fabulous. I put it onto my J. Crew bag here, and it looks so cute. And the strap that was on here before I actually really didn't enjoy. It is the best color combination, and it just gave life to an old bag. If you have an item that you really like, but you just need to kind of reinvent it, you can add little accessory touches like that, for example, even on shoes. This is a vintage shoe clip. Those have been so fun for me, and you just literally clip it onto the front of a shoe, and it totally makes it look brand new and different, right? The same, but different. So I really love that. These things aren't permanent as well, just lets you have a bit of fun with your existing pieces. The last thing I bought, a little bit of a beauty item, is the gua sha. So I've been using facial rollers for a while now, but nothing has really stuck. And then I saw a video of somebody using these amazing butterfly gua sha rose quartz stones. So these are fantastic. I need to film a video of me using it because the way it hugs the face is perfect. It really drains the lymph in the forehead area. It hugs your cheekbones, your jawbone, unlike anything else. And these kind of divots, you can even run up and down your neck. Guys, it is next level massage. I ended up buying 2 of them because you can do both sides at the same time. Saves a little bit of time, and I like the effect of kind of doing both sides in tandem. It's just a little bit more spa-like. So those are my little butterfly gua shas, and I'm really happy with them, and I think this particular shape needs to be more widely available. These were another AliExpress find, and I'm thrilled. I think they were around the $14 price range, so a bit more expensive, but so worth it. That is everything, you guys. If you enjoyed my glow on my face today, I actually just put a bit of this Catrice Sungasm face and body highlighter on. I just used my finger, and it is fantastic. So I think I need to do that more often because this is so pretty. Brush down the legs, that would be divine. So that is my summertime haul. I know it's been a crazy time, and it's really not in anyone's budget right now to go and spend a ton of money on things that we can not even wear out in public, but it's really fun for me to keep my wardrobe fresh. I am going back to work, and I want to feel good about myself, and for that I like to dress up. So let me know if you've done any shopping below. Let me know what you think about the things that I bought, and if you enjoyed my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!